Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you the best 7 applications for any Android TV. So basically, if you're an Android TV user, these 7 applications I'll be showing in these videos are the ones I would recommend you install, and these applications will change your Android TV experience. So this is going to be a wonderful video, and I'll highly recommend you watch it right up to the end because I'll be showing you my best 7 applications that you should get on your Android TV. So please, if you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share so that you can encourage us to be able to create more videos like this. So that's it, let's get started. So as you can see, here's my Android TV I'm using, and for this video I'm using my Slim TV Box, which is an Android TV, and also to navigate, instead of using my remote control, I'm using a USB mouse that makes it easy for me to navigate on my Android TV. So if you are looking for Android TV Box, then in the description of this video I've added some few recommendations. You might check them out if you want a new Android TV Box. But if not, let's get started. So my Android TV has an option where you can add categories of applications, even though this is meant for app stores. But I'm going to use this segment on my Android TV to add all the 7 applications. So please just ignore the app store part and focus on the applications that I'm going to be adding to this category. So as I said, I want to show you 7 different applications. So I'm not going to put them in any specific order. I'm just going to put them the way they come. Alright, so these are applications that are going to change your experience on your Android TV, or in every category that you want using your Android TV. I'm going to be showing an application that you need for that. So without wasting time, let's start. The very first application that you need on your Android TV, of course, is a player. And if you have an Android TV, you need a player that you will play videos, audios, files, or whatever. And what is the best player if not the VLC player? So I'm searching for it over here. So here's it over here, VLC. So VLC for me is the best player because first of all, it is free. So here's it over here. VLC is free and there is no ads, and it has various updates, like the new updates that come with the VLC 3.7. So here's how VLC look like. You can stream your local content, same way you can stream online content using VLC. So if you want to add a new stream, just over here, come on, we are linked to your new stream. I can start streaming content on VLC. So I'm not going to waste any time on any app. I'm just going to try to go as fast as possible. So VLC is the first for the category of media player. So the next application that I would recommend you to have on your Android TV is one I use a lot on my videos, which is the downloader application. So downloader works as a browser, and also it works as an application to install applications to your Android TV using downloader codes. So downloader is a must-have on Android TV. I don't even see a possibility of using Android TV without downloader. So it's very simple. Just go back here, and this is how downloader looks like. Downloader has been updated. This is a new version. So the way you use downloader, if you go over here and you have a code to install an application, and just type in the code over here. Or if you want to use the browser, you can go over here and use browser on downloader. So downloader is the second application that you should have on your Android TV if you want to change your experience. So without wasting time, let's move on. So as I said, please, I do not want to waste any time on any application. The next application on my list that I would recommend to any Android TV user is NordVPN. So NordVPN is a VPN that you use to protect your privacy on your Android TV and protect your data. As an Android TV user, I'll highly recommend using a VPN because browsing on the internet is not secure. Your information can be stolen, your information can be hacked or whatever. That's why it's very important for you to use a VPN. And NordVPN is the best recommended VPN that I would recommend. So if you're looking for a VPN subscription for NordVPN, check the description of this video. I've added a link and you're going to get a discount to a NordVPN subscription. So please check it out, get yourself a subscription, and please use NordVPN while browsing on the internet. Do not browse on your Android TV without NordVPN or without a VPN in general. Please use a VPN. We know why we always tell you to use a VPN. So that's it, let's move on. The fourth application that I'm going to recommend is Kodi. So if you want to stream content, maybe live content or movies or whatever, Kodi is the best application for that. Now the only thing here is that you have to have a server. If you go over to the internet and you search for Kodi servers, I believe you're going to see lots of free servers that you can use on Kodi. So you just go over on YouTube and search for how to load in your Kodi, and then you can go ahead and load any server that you find. Also, you can buy servers on the internet if that's what you want. But Kodi is a very important application for live streaming for movies, TV shows, music, and so on. Even games, you can get all of that using coding. Now, I just want to give a substitute to Kodi. If you don't want to use Kodi, you can use TV Mate. You just have to choose between the two, either Kodi or TV Mate. So that's the fourth application. The fifth application on my list is now a browser. So if you're looking for a browser and you don't want to use Downloader as your main browser on Android TV, then the one I would recommend is this application, Browse Here. Now there are other browsers, there's TV Pro, there's Kodi, there's this one, but for me, this is the best browser on Android TV. So Browse Here is designed with very good display and interface that runs perfectly on your Android TV. This is how Browse Here is going to look like on your Android TV, and for me, this is the best browser for Android TV. It has a couple of features. If you want to check it out, go over to my YouTube channel. There is a video on Browse Here, and I'll take time in that video to explain all the features of Browse Here that you are going to get on your Android TV. But if you want a browser, Browse Here is the best browser for Android TV. Anyway, in my opinion. The next application, which is the sixth now, is local send. So for instance, if you want to transfer files from your Android TV to your phone, your Android TV to your computer, or your Android TV to your iPhone, local send is the application for you. With local send, I use local send to send files from my phone to my TV or from my TV to my phone. It works perfectly without any lag, and it's the fastest I have seen. Other people use send to TV and other files, but for me, local send is the easiest to use and it is the fastest to use. So I use this a lot, and I would recommend it if you want to transfer files between your mobile phone, your laptop, and your Android TV. Local send is the application for you. Now that is 6 applications in total. The last application on my list that I'm going to be showing is the Unlink application. So Unlink is where if you want to get applications that are not available on your Google Play Store, then Unlink is the application for you. So Unlink has lots of categories that you can check out and install applications to Android TV. If you're looking for Unlink codes, just go back to my YouTube channel and search Unlink code. You're going to see over 8 different Unlink codes that you can use and get applications to Android TV that you might not find on the Google Play Store. So that's what Unlink is for. Or if you don't want to use Unlink, what applications that can put in place of Unlink, let's say APK type. APK type can replace Unlink, but overall Unlink is the best out of all app stores that are not Google Play Store. So in total, here are my 7 different applications. I'm just going to go through them now in order. There is VLC, there is Downloader, there is NordVPN, there is Browse Here, there is Local Send, which is for Local Send, there is Unlink. So if you didn't get the gist, VLC is a major player. Downloader is a browser / downloader where you can download apps. NordVPN is for your protection. Kodi is for streaming if you want to stream live content, or if you don't want to use Kodi, you can use TV Mate. And then Browse Here is the best browser if you want to use Downloader as your main browser. Local Send is for transferring files between mobile and computer and TV. And lastly, Unlink is for you to get your applications to your Android TV. So ladies and gentlemen, these are my 7 applications that I would recommend for any Android TV user. And if you are asking the question, how do you install this application to Android TV? On my YouTube channel, there is a video on each of these applications on how to install them to your Android TV channel. For Android TV, just go ahead and check it out on my YouTube channel. They're going to give you answers. That's it about this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. For more important videos, like,